How to share a Spotify playlist with someone. Let's get started. Launch a Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option of your library. Once you're on this page here you're gonna find different tabs. Head over to the tab playlist. With that you will find the list of your playlist. Now head towards the playlist that you wanna share. Open it. After you open it, click on three dots. Different options will appear. You can use these options, invite collaborators or share to share your Spotify playlist with anybody. Clicking on the option of share, you're gonna find different option. You can copy link. You can use this platform given over here to share this playlist. Likewise, click on the option of invite collaborators. You're gonna get different option. You can use this platform to invite collaborators. So this way you can easily share a Spotify playlist with someone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.